Hey everybody! So this week I'm super excited for my video because I'm going to talk about one of my all-time favorite summer tricks to get rid of bug bites in a flash, in literally an instant. Now this will work on mosquito bites, spider bites, snake bites, slivers, bee stings, ant bites, poison ivy, random hives, basically any type of bite or sting that causes an itchy reaction. So what is it? The wonderful, miraculous, glorious, extremely helpful little plantain plant in all of its weedy abundance. Plantain, or Plantago major, is one of the most common herbs found growing in North America. You can literally find it growing out of the cracks of sidewalks and roads. Check your lawn and your driveway, your front yard. You probably have it out there. I have it all over my street, and I've actually cultivated a patch in my backyard to make sure that I have my own supply that I'm sure is free from pesticides and is organic and everything, of course. The major components of plantain are, forgive me if I pronounce these incorrectly, iridoid glycosides, mucilage, and tannins. Together they are believed to reduce irritation, dissipate harmful organisms, and dispel toxins. Studies have shown that the plantain has anti-inflammatory effects because it is rich in tannins, which help draw tissues together and stop bleeding, and allantoin, a compound that promotes healing of injured skin. So how does it work? Plantain is actually the ultimate anti-venomous herb, and it's also a blood cleanser. When you pick and crush the leaf, either through chewing or bruising it, the wonderful, wonderful plant magic is released and it starts working instantly when placed on the skin. It's very soothing and cooling as it heals, and it instantly starts to draw out the poison of bites or stings. Me personally, I like to pick my leaves and then grind them in like a mortar or pesto and then place them on the skin. But if you're out and you don't have anything to bruise the leaves with, you can literally just throw it in your mouth, chew it up if you don't mind, the taste, and then stick it on there and it works just the same. You just want to get the juices inside to release because that's what helps to extract the toxins. For me personally, when I use the plantain, I like to grind it, like I said, in the mortar or the pesto, and then once it's nice and ground, I'll take the leaf and wherever the bug bite is, I'll just put it on, apply pressure for about 30 seconds or so. If it's a really bad bite, you might want to put it on there with a band-aid or some gauze, tape it on there or something. But basically after about 30 seconds or so, you can take it off. You'll notice that the itching is gone, it's going away rapidly, and the redness and the swelling will decrease. It might linger a little bit, but it will fade away over the next few minutes, 30 minutes, half an hour, whatever. But that's the main way it works, is by actually drawing out the toxins. It can also ease the pain of poison ivy, and I'm honestly not really sure if there's any itch that plantain can't handle. And on the super, super plus side, unlike common anti-itch cortisone and steroid creams, plantain is working because it's actually drawing out the toxin. It's removing the root of the issue. It's getting rid of the problem, whereas anti-itch and cortisone and steroid creams aren't actually doing anything at all to help the reason for the reaction. They're just basically shutting down the body's response to the reaction to the toxins underneath the skin. So kind of different approaches on that one. But anyways, that's how it works. Plantain also does an excellent job of removing foreign objects and particles from the body. If you mix plantain with some cayenne pepper and then put it over a sliver or something lodged under your skin, it will work to the surface and help it come out in pretty much no time. And plantain also works for fungal infections like, for example, ringworm. You can make a tea out of the leaves, just simmer it in some water. When it's done, you can spray it on the affected area, put a bruised plantain leaf on there, slap some gauze on there, wrap it around, leave it on for a few hours, a day or something, and it should really start to help with things like that as well. And honestly, these aren't even all the things that it does. Plantain can also be taken internally to help a laundry list of issues, which I'll talk about at some point, but that is for another time, another place. So there you have it, everything you ever wanted to know about how to heal bug bites instantly and get rid of itchy summer skin in a flash without steroids or anti-itch creams, just by utilizing the nature growing in your own yard. I actually use this so much with my 2-year-old son that he even knows when he gets a bug bite, he knows what plant he needs to go pick. So that's how you know that it works. FYI, be careful that pesticides haven't been sprayed on the area that you're picking from, because I don't know if you'd want to use that. So that's my video for today. I hope that you guys all got a little something out of it, and I wish everybody an itch-free rest of your summer. Have a great day, guys. Lewis and Mom.